In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text in a picture in Microsoft Word. If you want to place words directly on top of an image and make everything look clean and easy to move around, this is a simple method that works really well. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your own Word document. To begin, the first thing you want to do is make sure your image can move freely around the page. Click on your picture to select it, then go to the layout options and choose Wrap Text. From there, select Behind Text. This setting is important because it gives you more flexibility when positioning the image in the document. Once that's turned on, you can click and drag the picture into the spot where you want it. After that, go to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. Then choose the option called Draw a Text Box. This lets you create a custom text box anywhere on the page, which is exactly what you need when placing text over a picture. Click and drag to draw the box on top of the image. Now type the text you want to appear on the picture. Once your text is in place, you can adjust the font, size, and overall appearance as needed. Take a moment here to make sure the text is readable against the image. Depending on the background, you may need a larger font or a style that stands out more clearly. If you don't want the text box to have a background color or border around it, you can remove both so only the text remains visible. With the text box selected, go to Shape Format, then choose Shape Fill and set it to No Fill. After that, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. This makes the text box transparent and helps the text blend naturally onto the image without any extra box around it. If you want the image and text to stay together and move as one object, you can group them. First, select the image. Then hold down the Shift key and click the text box so both items are selected at the same time. Once both are highlighted, go to Picture Format and click Group. Now your picture and text are combined into one unit. That means when you move the image, the text moves with it as well, which makes everything much easier to manage. And that's how to insert text in a picture in Microsoft Word.